Hello. We are here today to do a primary greeting meeting. I'm Miss Whitney from Garrison School for the Arts, and we are going to start off with a phonics lesson. We know that the sounds that letters make, and we can use our knowledge of these letter sounds to make words. So, try to gather something to write with, something to write on, and for our math portion of the lesson, you're going to need to find 10 objects and then some paper and crayons. We're going to start with something really familiar. We're going to start with your letter keyword sounds. So I know that you do this every day at school, and now we're going to do it every day at home. So let's go. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, C. D, dog, D. E, ed, E, ed, ed. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, Ah. P, pan, Pa. Q, U, queen, Qua. R, rat, R. S, snake, S. T, top, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. And now we're going to make some words. Oh, no. Now we're going to sing along with Usher. Brain break.
Are you guys ready? Let's do it. Clap your hands. The alphabet, they're your ABCs. They can help you move, so get up and dance with me. A, move your arm. B, sounds like a ball. C, kick like a push station and do the Krabby Crawl. D, body duck down. E, elbows out. F, fingers flap and flutter about. Move your body to the letters, that's what you do. It's the ABCs, I'm moving you. Yeah. G, glide once. H, hop twice. I, start to shiver like you're covered in ice. J, everybody jump. K, air. L, lift your leg and shake it everywhere. Move your body to the letters, you know it's true. It's the ABCs, I'm moving you. M, make a muscle. N, give a nod. O, move like an octopus, it's not that hard. Take it up now. P, point, Q, quiver. R, run. S, slither. So many letters in the alphabet.
What about T?
Right. Turn around, 'cause when I'm done, yeah. U, is for Usher. V, play the violin. W, wiggle again and again. Okay, that's enough. X, make an X. Y, yeah, man. Z, zoom around, 'cause zoom is the best. Pull to all the letters, and now we're through. Oh, the ABCs are moving you. Yeah, the ABCs are moving you.
Come on, David. Let us play another one.
ABCs, they can help.
Awesome. We're going to read a little poem now, and then we're going to use the words in that poem to make our own words. So, alligator pie, alligator pie, alligator pie. If I don't get some, I think I'm going to cry. You can take away the green grass, you can take away the sky, but don't take away my alligator pie. Alligator bread, alligator bread. If I don't get some, I think I'll shave my head. You can take away my pillow, you can take away my bed, but don't take away my alligator bread. Alligator cake, alligator cake. If I don't get some, I think I'm going to break. You can take away my french fries, you can take away my shake, but don't take away my alligator cake. Now we're going to use some of those words to make our own words. And we're going to start with an easy one. We're going to start making the word can. So let's tap that out. Can. Awesome. Can. Now I'd like you to take away the and make the word man. What sound did we change? We changed the beginning sound and made it say What letter makes M? Let's move that. Whoops. And we got to move that to the front of the word. Man. Let's change it at the beginning sound again. Get rid of that sound. And what letter makes the sound V? V. Let's move V up over there. What word did we just make? Van. Super job. Last one's a tricky one. We're going to use a digraph. We want to put a digraph in front of an. So we need 2 letters. First one's a T. What else do we need? Let's move the T over. That would be an. That doesn't make van. Let's try. What else letter? What other letter? Let's move that H over there. And we have the sight word, than. Super job. Now we're going to use another word from our poem. We're going to use bed. Don't take away my pillow. Don't take away my bed. Let's tap that out. B-E-D. What letters do we need to put up there? B-E-D. Bed. Let's change that. Let's get rid of the first sound, B, and put R up there. What's our new word? Red. Red. Awesome. Let's get rid of the R, and we'll put a L up there. And our new word is lead. Lead. Let's try another digraph. Put a sh in front of ed. We need 2 letters to make a digraph, so we need a S, sh, s, and an H for that sh. Whoops, I lost my S. There we go. Sh. Go over some. An S. There we go. Sh, ed, shed. Super job. Let's try a new word. Cry. Cry is a super interesting word because it doesn't have A, E, I, O, or U in it. It doesn't have any of our vowels, but it does have a Y. The Y is our vowel in cry. Cry. And what sound does Y make? Does it say y? Not this word. It says long I. Let's take away the cr and put the sound in front. Let's get it in front. And what's our new word? My. Again, we're going to make one of those digraphs. Not just s, but sh. And our new word is shy. Our next word that we're going to use from our poem to make new words is going to be the color word green. That's a tricky word. Let's see what we have. Gr. E says eh, so to make it say E, we need 2 of them. And then our final sound. Green. If we take away the gr and make a S in front, what's our new word? Seen. Super job. One more word from our poem. Take. We don't want to take anything away, so let's see. Ta. We have a long A sound. So we have A, k. But that says ta-ack, tack, not take. What do we need to add? There we go. Ta-ache. Let's get rid of the ta and change it to a And our new word is make. Let's get rid of the M and put up a F. Our new word now is fake. Let's get rid of the F sound and put the letter that says B. And our new word is bake. And if you bake me a pie, please don't make it an alligator pie. Let's see. Let's get rid of magnetic letters. we're going to take another quick brain break and change over to some math lessons. Oops, let's go back to that. Uh-oh, I think I played it. Oh, horrors. Yeah.
I'm a 3D shape expert. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. A baseball, the moon, and an orange I have right here are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a sphere. A basketball, the earth, and marbles I have here are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a sphere. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. A soda can, a pencil shaft, and a can of soup would be examples of a cylinder, as you can plainly see. A marker, a glass of milk, and a peanut butter jar are all examples of a cylinder. Yes, I'm sure they are. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. An ice cube, a cardboard box, and a Christmas present for you are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cube. My little dice, a sugar cube, and blocks that I use are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cube. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. An ice cream cone, a pencil tip, and a megaphone are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cone. A birthday hat, a traffic cone, or a funnel in my home are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cone. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. A paperweight, Egyptian pyramids, and some tents would be examples of a pyramid, as you can plainly see. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone.
So now that your math brain is on and you've identified all your 3D shapes, we're going to work on some friends of 10. And we know lots of different ways to make number combinations to 10. And let's look at those with our rainbow chart. If we start at 0 and we follow that red arch over to the next number, 0 and 10 make 10. Let's follow the orange arch now. Start at 1, follow it over to the 9. 1 and 9 make 10. Let's do the yellow arch. 2 and 8 make 10. Let's do the green. 3 and 7 make 10. 4 and 6 make 10. And then 5 and 5 make 10. And we're going to do that right here. So you have your pencil and your paper and your 10 objects ready? Here we go. If we don't have anything in our 10 frame, we don't have any shapes on our paper, let's fill out our number bond. We have 0 objects. And how many more would we need to get to 10? You're right. I'll put 5 across the top, and 5 across the bottom. We needed 10 objects. So 0 and 10 make 10. If we had 1 object, put 1 object on your paper. How many more do you need to get to 10? Well, let's count them. Let's go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 and 9 make 10. If we have 2 objects on our 10 frame, are you ready? Go ahead. How many more do you need to get to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more. So if we fill out our number bond, 2 and 8 make 10. If we have 3 objects, how many more? Are you ready to count? You do yours at home. Fill in the missing spots and tell me how many more you're going to need to make 10. Come up with 7? I hope so, because 3 and 7 make 10. Let's add 1 more object to start off with 4 objects. Put 4 objects on your piece of paper. And then figure out what number I need to make 10. 6, 4, and 6 make 10. If we have 5 objects on our 10 frame, that one's kind of easy. As we know, each part, 2 groups of 5 make 10. Now our 10 frame is halfway filled. If we put 1 more, we'll have 6. And how many empty spots do we have? 6 and 4 make 10. 1 more, we're almost done. 7, I have 7 objects on my 10 frame, and that leaves 3 empty spots. So 7 and 3 make 10. Now I have 8 objects. And if I have 8, how many do I need to add? How many more do I need to get 10? Try to do this one in your head. Put 8 in your brain and then count on. 8, 9, 10. 8 and 2 more make 10. If you have 9 objects in your 10 frame, how many do you need to get to 10? Just 1. And our final friends of 10 is if we have 10 and we need 0 more objects. So make sure you're practicing those friends of 10. They help you add and subtract. So we are going to, let's see. And play a 10 frame game. Let me turn down the volume first though. So here we go. How many are empty on our 10 frame game? 0. Try another one. How many do we have in our 10 frame? Just 5. How many now? And how many more would we need if we had 2 to make 10? How many are empty? Wow. This one we have to put 2 numbers in. And how many are empty? So you have to be careful. Sometimes it asks you, how many more do you need? But sometimes it wants to know how many are empty. So 2 and then 5 more is awesome. 0. And how many are empty? 1, 2, 3 to get to 10. Super job. Now, playing with 10 frames always makes me think about my favorite book, or one of my favorite math books. So let's go to 10 Black Dots by Donald Cruz. Just
10 black dots. What can you do with 10 black dots? 1 dot can make a sun or a moon when the day is done. 2 dots can make the eyes of a fox or the eyes of keys that open locks. 3 dots can make a snowman's face or beads for stringing on a lace. 4 dots can make seeds from which flowers grow or the knobs on a radio. 5 dots can make buttons on a coat or the portholes of a boat. 6 dots can make marbles that you hold. Half are new, the rest are old. 7 dots can make the spots on a snake or stones turned up by a garden rake. 8 dots can make the wheels of a train carrying freight through sun and rain. 9 dots can make toy soldiers standing in rank or the pennies in your piggy bank. 10 dots can make balloons stuck in a tree. Shake the branch and set them free. Count them, are there really 10? Now we can begin again, counting dots from 1 to 10. What
can you make with 10 black dots? We'll just show you the pictures. How many black dots did I use to make this picture? 4. And what about this queen? 4, add on 6, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, I subitized 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 black dots make the ornament on a Christmas tree. 4, 5, 6 make the wheels on this road. 3, 4, 5 make the dots on this chicken. So your challenge is to see what you can make using your black dots. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.